So how do we solve this problem? So in order for us to solve this problem, we need to split this into two. So now we have two integral to integrate. So let's just put the constants. 7 out, 1. So first, let us integrate this. So we have let u be equal to x squared minus 6x plus 13. So deriving that, we will get 2x minus x dx. So putting negative x to the other side, we will have 6 plus du 2x dx. So we know that we have her the same as our numerator. So putting 2 outside, we'll have cancel. So we'll have 4 6 plus du over 2 x squared minus 6x plus 13. So combining this algebraically, we have 4 times 6 is 24, divided by 2, we have 12. Or plus 4 times du is 4 du plus divided by 2, we have 2 du. So we split this. No, we have du here. This is our du. Where are you? So we now have this. We can use the logarithmic integration. So splitting, we have 12 u du plus 2 du over u. So we can now have this as 12 ln, which as ru is x squared minus 6x plus 13 plus 2 ln x squared minus 6x plus 13. So this is just the outcome of this first integration. So we need to get the second integral. We just put this here. Now ln squared 6x plus 13 plus 2 ln squared minus 6x plus 13. So in order to integrate this integral, we have to complete the squares here in the denominator. So we have negative 7, 1, x squared minus 6x plus 9, that is a complete square, plus 4. We just split 13. 9 plus 4 is 13. So now that we have that, we can complete the squares. So as you can see, we can now use our tan to get our answer. So we have negative 7 1 over a, which is 2 tan negative 1. Our u is x minus 3. Our a is 2. So how did we get this answer? We know that in substituting the value of x minus 3 to use in substituting to finding the constant and variables, we need to let u squared minus is equal to x minus 3 squared. So if we square root this, we will get x minus 3, which is here now in our u, and our constant is equal to 2 is to 2. If we square root that, we'll have 2, which is in our denominator and here. So we now have our final answer for example number 3. This is now our final answer for example number 3. So there are problems which other techniques of integration you need to know for you to be able to get the integration of the other half if it doesn't resemble the formulas here. You need to know the logarithmic integration and other integration formulas for you to be able to get the result of the integration or the problem.
Arong ko anay. Ang siyarak.
So let us now proceed to example number 4. To solve this problem, we need to use substitution and the trig identities. So if we substitute the value of sec to tan squared 1a, we'll have so distributing the sign, we will have negative tan squared minus 1. So we let u be tan. So deriving that, we will have du is equal to 6 squared theta d theta. So we'll now have so 5 minus 1 is 4. We know that u is equal to tan squared, so we'll just use squared. So now that we have this, if the derivation of this, we will now have to substitute this in order for us to solve this problem. So this integrand now represents this formula for arc sine. We'll have to know our constants, which is 4 So everything we will have now 2. It's b squared is equal to u. B is equal to u. So you can now we can just use the formula